In this video tutorial, we are going to look at how you can insert or embed Quillbot, which is a paraphrasing tool, and Grammarly, which is also a grammar search or grammar check tool, into your Microsoft Word, so that when you are writing your articles or you are doing your write-ups, you can easily make your paraphrasing, and you can also check your grammar without any stress. Now, in order to do that, you will need a Microsoft Word of 2016. I think the early versions do not work perfectly with this, but once you have 2016 version or later version, you are going to be able to do it at ease and without stress. Now, in order to do that, when you launch your Microsoft Word, you go to the Insert on your menu bar. So this is your menu bar. You go to Insert. Then you look for add-ins on your property bar. So here I have my add-in here. So I'll click on my add-ins. Then here you have two options. This is my add-ins, those that I have already added into my Microsoft Word. And this is where you can get what you have not added yet, or what you intend to add to your Microsoft Word. So we will take the get add-ins. And mind you that you will need an internet connectivity for this exercise. So once you come to the Office add-ins, which is this page, normally when you come, these are your add-ins. I have already added Grammarly and then Quillbot. And then you can switch to the store. That is, if you haven't done that or you are yet to do that, you go to the store and then you search for the tools. That is Quillbot. Then you click on enter. So you see your Quillbot here, and then you click on add, and then you go to continue. Good. So your Quillbot has been added, and this is the Quillbot. You can do same too for the Grammarly, the same process. You go to get add-ins, then you search for Grammarly. Then you click on enter. Grammarly. So this is your Grammarly for Microsoft Word. Then you click on add, then you go to continue. Got it. So here you have your Quillbot, and then you have your Grammarly. These have been added to your menus. And if you also want, you can locate the Grammarly at the property bar, depending on the version of Microsoft Word that you are using. In which of them that you are using, you will have this embedded in your Microsoft Word. So you just have to locate where it is, and then you can begin to use it. Now that we have finished looking at how to add these tools to your Microsoft Word, let's look at how we can use it. So starting with the Quillbot, let's click on Quillbot and then launch Quillbot. Good. So here your Quillbot is opened right at the right hand of your screen. So here you will not need to go and open any browser to access the Quillbot, because you have it in your Microsoft Word already. So as I said earlier on, this Quillbot, the primary function of it is for paraphrasing statements made by other people. So for instance, this is a statement this paragraph. Let's assume we want to paraphrase this paragraph. You highlight the paragraph. Now look at what will happen at the Quillbot. When I highlight and then I leave it, whatever I highlighted has appeared in my Quillbot and is ready to be paraphrased. So when you go down there, you have paraphrase. You click on the paraphrase and allow Quillbot to paraphrase your statement for you. So our paragraph has been paraphrased by Quillbot. Now once it is paraphrased, how do you get it to replace the original paragraph? You can simply do that by clicking on this button, that is insert. Once you click on the insert, this paraphrased paragraph will go and replace your original highlighted paragraph. So let me just click on it, and it has gone to replace my original paragraph. So now our original paragraph has been paraphrased, and the original is gone, and the paraphrased paragraph has now come to replace the paragraph that was here. So now this is how you can use the Quillbot, and it's as simple as that. Let's also look at how you can use the Grammarly in your Microsoft Word. So this is your Grammarly. You click on it and you open it. So this looks great. Grammarly is also opening. And mind you, once you open the two, you will be able to access the two at the same time. You can see them here, Quillbot, so you can switch between Quillbot and then Grammarly. So if you want to access Quillbot, you click on Quillbot. If you want to access Grammarly, you click on Grammarly. Now, Grammarly will now scan through your entire document, and it will identify all the issues that you have with your document. And these are the issues. We have correctness, we have clarity, engagement, how engaging your statement is, and delivery. But for the meantime, since this is not the premium version, you will only be able to access the correctness and clarity. But if you want to access the engagement and delivery, then you will have to probably go for the premium. So here we see 40 here, meaning our document has 40 issues to be tackled. That is the 40. And this 40 is made up of issues with correctness and issues with clarity. So when you click on correctness, you will see all the issues there is that is wrong with correctness. And they are lined up down here, and you can access them by clicking on each of them. Maybe starting from the top to the down. And on each of them, there is a comment, which is a faint comment, which tells you what is wrong with each of the issues that are being listed here. For instance, it is asking you to correct your spelling. It means there's something wrong with your spelling, and this is the it. So when you click on it, it will give you the correct one in green. So when you click it, it will go and replace it. Good. So that issue has been solved. Then it moves to the next one in that order. So there is another issue too here. Let's look for let's look for, all right, so let's look for organization. What's wrong with organizations? Okay, this has issues to do with should be organizations. So you will just have the chance to fix all the issues there is in your document. Now when you come to clarity is we only have one issue here, which is in order to. Grammarly is telling us that we can simply replace this with 2. So when you click on it, you see that it will change it for you, and basically 2 is also an issue there, and you can click to remove the phrase. So when you click on it, you remove the phrase. And as you begin to work like this, you realize that your issues keep reducing. So you keep doing that until you are done with all the issues that you have here. And then when you realize that you are okay with it, or all the issues that have been raised or concerns that have been raised by Grammarly is solved, you can comfortably know that your document is good to go. Thank you for following this short tutorial, and enjoy your writings, and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more timeless videos. Thank you so much.